Hi, this is Chris from Tailgate Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2010 Mazda 3 MPS hatch. Stock reference number 4825. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand fog light with surround, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror indicator type, left front door appears to have no damage, left-hand sill skirt, left rear door 1 small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, MPS type, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand side skirt, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror indicator type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, red stitch type, manual type console, 6-speed manual shifter, dual zone heating controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, left hand sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with red stitching, cruise, audio, nav buttons, and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Tailgate Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.